The condominiums at the Vista on the Trail complex are beautiful units offering plenty of living space in desirable East Greenwich. The spacious layout allows you to both live and entertain comfortably. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances and opens directly into a combined living and dining space. Invite family and friends over for a meal in the dining area or to relax around the lovely gas fireplace. A glass slider leads out to a balcony overlooking the grounds. Down the hall are 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths, including the master suite, complete with a private bath. Living at Vista on the Trail allows you to take advantage of all the amenities at the complex, including access to the pool area and the clubhouse. East Greenwich Square is feet away and provides a movie theater and plenty of stores and restaurants. More shopping and dining options are up the road on Bald Hill and along charming Main Street. Minutes away is Goddard Memorial State Park, an impressive setting with walking and riding trails, a beach, farmers market, and even a golf course. The easy access to the highway is great for taking trips to the beaches in southern Rhode Island or commuting to Providence and its amazing cultural experiences. For more information, please visit the property website or call the Bissett Veloso team at area code 401-368-4485.